Number 6. We want to find a polynomial for the perimeter of this figure. So perimeter comes from just adding up all of the sides. So I'm going to start with this side on the left, and then I'll go around clockwise. So 7z plus 2z plus 2z plus 5 plus 2z plus 1 plus 7z plus 1 plus 2z plus 5 plus 2z plus 2z. And now it's just a matter of combining like terms. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus another 7 is 20, plus 2 is 22, plus 2 is 24, and then plus another 2 is 26. So 26z, and then we'll add up the constant terms. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So 26z plus 12. Number 7 wants us to multiply. Anytime we're multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, we'll multiply everything in the parenthesis. So we'll start with the first elements. 12 times negative 4 is negative 48. And when you multiply exponents, you add them. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 12 times 2 is 24. And 6 plus 4 is 10. Finally, 12 times negative 12 is negative 144, and we only have the x to the 6th. Number 8 wants us to multiply two polynomials. We'll start with the first element in the first parenthesis and multiply everything in the second parenthesis. So x times 3x cubed is 3x to the 4th. X times 2x squared is 2x cubed. X times negative 5x is negative 5x squared. And x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Now we move on to the second element in the first parenthesis. 1/5 times 3x cubed is 3/5 x cubed. 1/5 times 2x squared is 2/5 x squared. 1/5 times negative 5x is negative x. And then 1/5 times negative 2 is negative 2/5. Now we should combine like terms. There's only 1x to the 4th, but I have a 2x cubed plus a 3/5 x cubed, which is 13 over 5x cubed. I have a negative 5x squared and a 2/5 x squared, which is negative 23 over 5x squared. Negative 2x minus x is negative 3x, and then minus 2/5. Number 9 wants us to multiply. And there are two ways we can do this. The first is using the shortcut that says a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Using this method, 9m squared would be 81m squared plus 2 times 9m is 18m times 8 is 144m plus b squared, so 8 squared is 64. The other way to do this is to FOIL. 9m plus 8 squared means 9m plus 8 times 9m plus 8. The first, 9m times 9m, is 81m squared. The outer, 9m times 8, is 72m. The inner, 8 times 9m, is 72m. And then the last, 8 times 8 is 64. The middle two terms are like terms, and 72 plus 72 is 144m plus 64. So either way, we get the same answer. Number 10 wants us to divide. Since we're dividing a polynomial by a monomial, we can break this up into pieces. 6x squared y to the 4th divided by 2x squared y to the 4th plus 6x to the 4th y to the 8th over 2x squared y to the 4th minus 6x to the 5th y to the 5th over 2x squared y to the 4th. So we'll start with the number. 6 divided by 2 is 3. You'll notice the x squared and y to the 4th will cancel on the first one. For the second, 6 divided by 2 is still 3. And when you're dividing exponents, you subtract. So for x, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Once again, we'll subtract exponents. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 5 minus 4 is 1. And we tend to not write an exponent of 1.